How to create a PayPal account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a PayPal account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once you're inside the web browser, simply click on the search bar and simply search for PayPal. And now here in the search result, simply click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of PayPal. Now here, once you see the interface like this, just click on the sign up button which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you click on it, you'll be prompted to the sign in page. Now here, you can simply choose what type of account that you want to create. So here I'm going to simply select personal and after that I'm going to simply click on get started. And now here on the next page, you need to select your country or region. So here I'm going to simply select my country and region, and here once selected I'm going to simply click on get started. And now here on the next page I need to enter the email address. So here I'm going to simply enter the email address, and here once I'm done entering the email address I'm going to simply click on next. And after that, so here just check the box. And after that, on the next page, you need to enter your phone number. So here, just enter your phone number. And here, once you're done entering your phone number, just click on next. And now with that, and after that, you will receive a verification code via SMS. So just enter the code on the screen to confirm your phone number. And after that, on the next page, you need to fill out your credential. So there, just fill in your name, phone number, address, and make sure everything is accurate because this helps with verification later. And after that, you can link a credit or debit card now or skip and do it later. So here linking a card helps with purchases and verifying your account. And that's it. Now your PayPal account will be ready to use. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.